Birds in love. When it rains on the beach in October, the migrators think about Cabo. It doesn't count this is South California, the place they thought heaven when they fledged, or that this isn't the west coast of Lake Michigan, where the frost could have chilled them by now. No, the clouds have taken angry faces, so it's time to find a changeless place. The wise ones take their chances. They've seen this play out before. Know the weather will change again. Nature's a series of cycles, constant. With every year, they realize a truth. Living in a strange land is far colder.